Don't be sliding in my DM. Don't be sliding in my DMs, Charlie, once you see this. Because I don't want to hear it. If you don't want to know me when I'm like this, then you don't deserve me when I'm like this. Oh my god, this is scary. Ooh, scary. A lot of people would be scared. A lot of people.
A lot of people will be scared here.
Double, double, twiddle and trouble, fire upon and cauldron bubble. I'm gonna try and dance to TikTok dances. Ew, okay, let me try and fix the lights. Holy Mother of Mary herself up there in heaven. I'm already out of breath. How the hell am I gonna do these dances? Basically, I like went onto www.youtube.com/Lookingforlewys the other day and I was like, dearie me, matey, you got a wee issue there. And I was like, oh, what is the issue, sir? And I was like, well, matey, you've not uploaded in 10 days. Which, by the way, if you say 10 days, round it up to 2 weeks. Wait, actually, is it rounded up to... Okay, it's rounded up to 1 week. You've not uploaded in 10 days. And I was like, why, sir? Yes, that is quite the issue. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how Shakespeare wrote Midsummer Night's Dream. And basically, I have like 3 separate videos which I'm filming right now. But because of my ADHD, like, while I'm filming these videos, I'm like... Squirrel! So, like, one of these videos I've literally been filming for about 3 weeks now. They'll come in due course, but I needed something ASAP pronto. It's like, girls, we got the Starbucks, it's rush hour, we need to get this macchiato out now, go, go, go. Like, this is the... If a psychologist wants to do a case study on my brain, I am open. My business email is in the receipts, but the receipts? The description below. The dibbly-doo bar, the info bar down dibbly-low. Anyway, yeah, I basically want to be TikTok famous because, like, I'm obsessed with TikTok and my views right now are not doing good. By the way, follow me on TikTok. Da-da-da. And follow me on Instagram. It is basically 11 p.m. So hopefully I won't wake up my neighbours. There was a lot of rumours going around that I have 2 left feet. Just to be sure, 1 left, 1 right. I can boogie all night. I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. Okay, let's do this. Basically, the aim of this is to unemploy Charli D'Amelio by the end of it. Charli D'Margarita, I'm coming for your crown. Oh, what are you gonna do? You're gonna cry. You're gonna cry. Well, grow up. Stupid girl jokes. Don't sue me, Charlie. I love you, I love you, I love you. Ah! Why can I not breathe? This is what I get for literally walking every single cross country that I've ever stepped foot on in school. I'm not trying to brag. I'm not trying to sound big-headed. But I do know a few. I, of course, know Bomb. Boom, 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 wait, renegade. I should be a screamo artist. Right, I am the way I want to cut my hair. But the first one I want to learn is the how you schedule it, and you ask what a while. You try and kick it, but you just can't fight the feeling inside. And I can't, you want it smooth as a mother. Okay, well that was literally better than the original, so like, moving on. I hear the sour breath, but I kept on dancing all night. You try and did it, but you just can't fight the feeling inside. Try another, oh, and I can see it in your eyes. And want it, oh, smooth as a mother. Okay, I found the dance. Slow down, people, slow. Do you have somewhere to be? Do you have places to see people to be? I don't know, maybe you need to pick up a Starbucks mobile order. Maybe you have an appointment at the dentist, but you guys are moving too quick. They're like robots popping and locking. If I didn't know better, I think this was the live action remake of WALL-E. Conspiracy theory, Charli D'Amelio is the human version of WALL-E. Shane Dawson, I don't know about you, babe. I don't know about you, Shane, but I get on this, I got that part. It kind of looks like I did a doo-doo in my panties. I'm like, oh no, I did a doo-doo in my panties, where the toilet? Oh, no, and then you sucker punch them. Woo! God. Woo! How I be in the club like, woo! Okay, let's not get started. And then she like comes forward, it's like that game in primary school where it's like, what's the time, Mr. Wolf? I'm coming to get you. That's what she does. She's like, get you.
That kept on dancing all night. You tried and did it, but you just can't fight the feeling inside.
Ow, I think I've literally pulled a muscle. Oh my god. How do these people do it? Get me some deep heat and an ice pack. And then she does she does like the snake. Ooh, god, Shakira, Shakira. Yes, baby, that is right. These hips do not lie. Is this gonna get demonetized because my ass is so fat that when I shake it, it's like I predicted an earthquake up in here. And then she's like close and she's like, whoa. And then she's like, did you really just think I was getting close to you? Don't ever judge a book by its cover. Oh my gosh, oh my golly gosh, oh my golly gosh, somebody bloody call the police, I think I've got it. Right, I'm gonna do a dress rehearsal on mute. Wait, I don't need a mute. How offensive voices in my head. Seriously, you guys have got a lot of nerve speaking up there. By the way, I've not had human contact or spoken to another human other than the person who works on the checkout at Sainsbury's for 48 hours. A lot of voices are going up and a lot. In Noggin, a lot of voices reach new. Where was I speaking? Oh yeah, I don't need the music. I'm a professional. Abby Lee Miller does not need music. Sing it for me. And I kept on dancing. Okay, girl, you need to slow down. Whoop, and then it's dog poo poo, shake shake. Ooh, you want me? Come close. Oh no, I can't believe my mum had to carry me for 9 months in her own stomach. I need to start a GoFundMe for that brave woman. Like, can the queen knight her? Okay, guys, let's try it. Charlie, don't be sliding in my DM. Don't be sliding in my DMs, Charlie, once you see this. Because I don't want to hear it. You don't want to know me when I'm like this. Then you don't deserve me when I'm like this. Okay, here we go, guys. Good luck, everyone. Break a leg. This bitch just told me to break a leg.
What did you say to me?
I said break a leg, guys.
I don't want to break a leg. I'm gonna get the part. That's what I'm gonna do.
I hear the sour breath, but I kept on dancing all night. You tried and did it, but you just can't fight the feeling inside. Oh, and I can see it in your eyes. And want it, oh, smooth as a move.
I think I did it. I think I did it. Smooth as a
I hear the sour breath, but I kept on dancing all night. You tried and did it, but you just can't fight the feeling inside. Oh, and I can see it in your eyes. And want it, oh.
Not trying to brag or anything, but I think Abby would probably put me at the top of the pyramid. Like everything comes naturally. It comes naturally. Baby. Never mind, I'm a triple threat at this point. Singer, dancer, actor. Look, I can act something right now. I've just taken a potato out of the oven and it's too hot. Oh, the potato's hot. Oh, my thingies. I've just tried soup and the soup was not in the microwave for long enough, so it's cold. That soup is cold. Tell me something I can't do. Next. Okay, the next dance we need to learn. Oh, this one is just like, if I was a rich girl, la-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da.
Living in my first fantasy, if I was a rich girl, la-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da-di. Say all I ever wanted in the world, if I was a lonely girl.
Oh, wow. Oh, Jesus. I'm sick of the hip shaking and the Do I look like Nicki Minaj in the Anaconda music video, Charlie? Well, if I was a wealthy girl. You know what? I just should stick my AirPods in and then that way I can listen to it. Not trying to brag, guys. Yes, I do have AirPods. If I was a rich girl. Oh, wait. I am. Move like a snake. Like a snake. Put your hands on your waist. Move like a snake. Like a snake. Like a snake. I'm actually burning up a sweat though. Like, why is Davina McCall making workout videos when we can just get this on TikTok for free, people? People! If I was a rich girl. Na 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 na. Oh, and I have all the money in the world. If I was a wealthy girl. Charlie, I have not just picked the easy mode on Just Dance. I want to pick extra hard. What is this? I like the move at the end. It's like Squidward cosplay. Like, ooh, look at my tentacles. And it starts like awkward posing. Oh my god, no, I can't dance jokes. Oh, I've already messed up. Oh, idiot. Why are you so dumb? Okay, try again. Ooh, cha, forward and pop. Nope. Married Squidward. Got it. Did you get it? Did you get it? Because I've got it. So try and keep up. Here goes nothing, guys. It's the big performance day. Oh, dang, flabbit. Idiot, I forgot it. Dance, I can't dance. Jokes, if I was a rich girl. Na 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 na. Say I'd have all the money in the world if I was a wealthy girl. If I was a rich girl. Ow! Oh my god, look at me go! Look at me go!
Living in my first fantasy, if I was a rich girl, la-di da-di da-di da-di-da-di-da-di-da-di. Say all I ever wanted in the world if I was a lonely girl.
Bloody hell, Britain's Got Talent. Look on your emails for tomorrow because I may just be signing up. Next dance, this is getting too easy at this point. I actually need to go get water. Like, I need water. My lungs are going, water, please. Oh my god, please don't listen to me swallow. Next dance, let's go. It's the one that's like, turn me on to the break of dawn. Just break down and boom. Now work that thing, miss. How about ever do that thing, miss? Don't drop that dun. Hey.
Turn me on to the break of dawn. Let's bop dance. Turn me on and boom. Shake that thing, miss. Dabba dabba dick, dook, lick, mug, dabba.
She goes, ba ba ba. Slow down, you stupid girl. Just slow down. Break it down. Ba 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 ba. Ooh ah yeah ooh ah. Shake that thing, miss. How about a dick, dook, mama like a dook, Mama Duke. Did anyone ever watch that film? Mama Duke. Nope, just me. Just these random things which stick in my brain. Okay, great. It's like thigh, up, change. Eyebrow is like a peach, so this really isn't the best dance for me. Like that thing. Oh, what does she do here? Gosh, do we have to be double jointed for this particular activity, or can us single joints join in too? Because if not, I'm gonna have to take that up with human resources. That is discrimination. Thing, miss. How about have a shake that thing, miss? How about have a dick, dook, dick. It's my cousin's wedding in October. If you think I'm not gonna be on the dance floor, like, shake that thing, miss. How about have their first dance? Sweetie, you'd be blessed if I ruined your first dance with shake that thing, miss. Never shake that thing. Sorry, I freestyled, sorry. It's just because I'm such a good dancer. Okay, I think I'm ready, guys. Hold on to your hairbands. This is gonna be a wild one. I'm gonna improv at the start.
Turn me on to the break of dawn. Let's bop dance. Turn me on and boom. Shake that thing, miss. Dabba dabba dick, dook, lick, mug, dabba.
Oh my god, I rolled my ankle. Okay, Mackenzie Ziegler.
It's bop dance. Turn me on and boom. Shake that thing, miss. Dabba dabba dick, dook, lick, mug, dabba.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I killed that. I can't breathe. I literally can't. We'll do one more. This is actually the most exercise I've done since the egg and spoon race in year 4. Oh my god, I know which one I want to do. It's like PG version. I am so sorry, your poor Christian eye. Jesus and his disciples would be furious at me. Thanks a lot, Lewis. Thanks a lot. Thanks to you, my disciples want to go, Is this one Papa Perkins Blackout? They're back on WWE. Gang. Bang. Up now, I know how to use this computer. Gang. Was that just me, or did I just kill that? My camera unfortunately had some technical difficulties, but you know what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. We are back. I have learned the last dance. I'm ready to showcase you guys my talents. Yeah. Basically, yeah, like, I'm just gonna let you all know now. If you don't know, then you should get to know. There is a trend, as the tweeters would say, on Musical.ly.
I literally called it Musical.ly subconsciously without even realizing. Not much working up here.
Where you do like 10%, and then you're like 100%, and it's like you do a dance at 10%, and then you do it at 100%, and it's like, oh my god, can you believe it's that different? I'm gonna do it now, and I'm gonna do a duet. Is there someone in my house? I'm terrified. Hello, don't kill me. Nope, we're good. I can hear breathing, but maybe that's just the voices in my head. So we'll do 10% first, because that's just how the duets work. If you don't know, like, get down with the kids raw. Put it up because I'm self-conscious. This is 10%, this is 10%, this is 10%.
Bum bum bum, pop a perk and I black out. I'm gonna blow your back out. WW. Here's what me. I'll put it back down. Gang, 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 gang. And there's a crop now. I don't know. Turns out I don't know crop now. You know how to use a computer. Just type in the Mac out. Blang, blang, bling.
Ooh, that was so solemn. Okay, okay. Ooh, okay, let me get the energies running through my bloodstream. 100% baby. This is my big moment to shine. Okay, here we go, 100%. Oh my god, I messed it up, I messed it up! Why? I'm so stupid. But it's okay. Ow! Okay, I can do better. I can do better. My throwback was like Nicki Minaj moment for life. And we want my throwback to be like Nicki Minaj Anaconda. Oh my god, I messed it up. I messed it up. I messed it up. I'm literally getting whiplash from all these mistakes I'm making. Oh, I messed energy anymore. I can't do another one. It's half midnight. I should be sleeping. The birds will be chirping soon. And it's not okay to do this at this time.
Bum bum bum, pop a perk and I black out. I'm gonna blow your back out. WW. Here's what me. I'll put it back down. Gang, 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 gang. And there's a crop now. I don't know. Turns out I don't know crop now. You know how to use a computer. Just type in the Mac out. Blang, blang, bling.